Okay, for you to vaccinate your birds, and what we did first, to withdraw water from them for about 2 hours. By the time we bring the vaccine, each of them would be thirsty enough to rush the water so that all of them will be vaccinated. Before you add the Lasota vaccine, this is what I use. Some use pig milk, I use mixie, and it has been working for me. So use what works for you. You add it to the water. And leave it for 15 minutes. You add it to the water and leave it for how many minutes? 15 minutes before to add the Lasota. And remember, your Lasota should be in a cold water or block so that it will not expire or spoil. You serve it cold. So as you can see, they are looking for water. They are actually thirsty. That is the game plan, is to keep them thirsty so that by the time we bring the water, they will all rush it. Please subscribe, share, drop your comment, and don't forget to ask your questions. Because there's going to be a rush, we are going to share the water separate. After mixing it here, we spray it so that all of them can comfortably drink. Stir it very well. We are done. I have to divide the water first before I start dropping. As you can see, they are really thirsty. They need the water. The next thing you will do is to make sure that all of them goes to the water. Push all of them to drink this water. Anyone that didn't take the water will not be vaccinated. So some don't know that there is water right now. So we have to push them to go and drink. Just a drop of the water is okay. The reason why all of them is drinking at the same time is because we kept them thirsty. We withdrew water from them for more than 2 hours now. Right now, they are all thirsty and they will need the water. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Share the video, please.